What's up, everybody? Welcome back here on the channel. We're gonna take a look at another Matchbox 5-pack that I guess is from 2025. To be honest with you, I could not find out anything about this 5-pack. I found this in a store for €5, which is a pretty good deal. These things can cost up to 12 or 13 euros sometimes. So yeah, I bought it. But this is pretty strange. You can't even find the names of the models on this packaging. So as you can see, there's nothing there. And I'm not a Jurassic World expert. So yeah, I had to find out what these models are called. And yeah, let's go quickly through these. By the way, I guess all of these models are re-releases, so nothing new. This is the first one. Of course, it's not a car. It's called the Rapid Rescue Copter. And yeah, well, it's kind of a helicopter. So it's just the middle part that is made out of metal. These propellers or whatever these things are called are made of plastic. And yeah, that's it. Nothing special. Into the parking lot it goes. Next one up is this thing, which is called the Off-Road Rescue Rig. And as you can see, this is a weathered version. We have some mud splashing here on the cap. Of course, only this part here in the front is made out of metal. And as you can see, we don't get any interiors. The windows are blacked out, or in this case, kind of browned out. Normally they do this. As you can see, we get 3 axles, so 1 extra axle, then you get no interior. And I guess you can remove this part. You can store something back here, maybe some little dinosaurs. You see some chains here on the back. Yeah, that's the what? Off-road rescue rig. So I'll fix that later. Into the parking lot it goes. Next one up is the 2014 Mercedes-Benz G-Class. I think I already have this version. Guess it was in a single pack, not really sure. This one's pretty nice, of course. It's a Mercedes with blue tinted windows and this dinosaur logo here on the side. Black rims. Yeah. This huge push bar here on the front. And on the spare tire, we get the Mercedes star, which is pretty nice. Into the parking lot it goes. The next one is the 2014 Chevy Silverado 1500. This one's pretty nice. Especially, I mean, it's a weathered version, as you can see, and this is kind of interesting. Didn't see that so far. So we get details on the front, including mud splashes, details on the side, and also on the back. So this is pretty cool. I don't know why they are doing this sometimes. I mean, there are even, you know, Hot Wheels models, for example, from the Silver series where you don't get that. But I mean, this is kind of a basic model and we get the full deco. So this is pretty cool. Well, I guess this one, does it have an interior? Well, I think it, I mean, the windows are really dark, but I think it has an interior. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And yeah, this guy here is the last one. I think it's called the Armored Action Truck. It doesn't say on the base. So yeah, once again, 3 axles, and that means no interior. Yeah, this thing is really ugly, I would say. A little bit like a tank, and we get this push bar thing on the front. I mean, these blue rims, I don't know. Yeah, it's a thing. So yeah, that was this strange Jurassic World 5-pack. As always, I'm picking a favorite, and it's definitely this one here because of the really nice deco. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Happy hunting. See you next time. Bye.